Thank you for stopping by Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales. We're taking a look at our park models here. This is a 2026 Quailridge Premier from Forest River. This is a 12-foot wide, 45-foot long, 2-bedroom unit, offering plenty of beautiful living space and nicely appointed kitchen. Lots and lots of counter space here. Higher end propane stove and a nice deep stainless sink with all the bells and whistles. And up front you'll enjoy the entertainment center here over the fireplace. Large sectional sofa is included. As well as the dining set and all mattresses. This brand new unit has a nice open layout, 2 spacious bedrooms, plus a nice and bright bathroom. Double bunks here. Full size bath with a true tub and shower. More storage here and the primary queen bedroom. Beautiful built-ins and shiplap. And plenty more storage space on this end with dual closets and the built-in dresser. Convenient dual entry here too. You have the slider in the living room, plus a man door here in the back hallway for direct entry into the bathroom and bedrooms. Give us a call or stop in today to learn more about these beautiful park models from Forest River. We offer the best pricing in Canada. We can deliver and install for you at your site of choice, where we have a few sites right here at Lovesick Lake Park and Beach Resort available now.